So as I posted on my blog, I've now passed the 14-day period on the shadow, and as you can see, I still have the sage shadow in my hands. I decided to go ahead and keep the shadow. And then luckily I saw that Paul over at Madako.com picked up a shadow, and he's already been hacking it away because I knew he would, and some little customizations. So as you can see on my home screen, I actually have start on the right, or the left, and on the right side I've customized it to launch Pocket Bible. So I can now switch that, and he's got all kinds of things going on. So we'll see some more of Paul's customizations. I know that he's got like a little heart and then some customizations. So I'll be hacking away at my shadow here pretty soon. So I wanted to show a couple things that people on my YouTube videos have been asking about. I guess one of the first ones that I'll do is, let's see, I'll type a little bit. So let me go into quickest thing to start. So as you can see, I have several third-party apps loaded on this device. And let's just go into a task for a second here. And I forgot I do have Agenda 1 set up, so let's go to a new task. And let's just go down to the notes here real quick. So there's just a blank note page, alright? So I'm going to try to back off a little bit here. You won't be able to see both at the same time. I think. No, if I angle it, it doesn't really turn out. So I'm going to go ahead and type on here, and we'll see how fast I can type. What is it? The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. So here we go. And if you go and look, let's see, you get every word right. Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. See, fairly fast and pretty accurate. And let me go ahead and enter a little bit more here. And as you can see, and I'll just kind of go in on the text entry, predictive text here. I can't see the keyboard with the camera in the way, so let me just try it again here. As you can see, it's pretty good text, predictive text. It helps out a lot with this keyboard to enter text quickly. So that's text. Okay, let's jump over real quick. Somebody was asking me about ringtones. As you can see on my ringtones, this one that I have right now is actually the Halo 3 theme, but I've got Mission Impossible, I've got The Office. I just grabbed these WAV files online, and you just simply put the WAV file on your device, and you can easily, for free, change any ringtone you want. And then from the Neo home screen, you can easily change that ringtone and assign ringtones to specific contacts. So certain contacts have certain ringtones, so that I keep track of that. Now let me jump and show you quickly Windows Media. And somebody asked about a video. So here's let's do full screen. This is Geek Brief TV video playing. As you can see, with the 200 megahertz processor, it's a pretty fluid experience. Screen's nice size. So that's video. And real quickly before